What up guys, today we are doing another car review, and this is my McLaren P1. I got brand new today, and so yeah, it has amazing functions, and one includes the most awesome function it has. And then my cat, go away Fluffy, I'm doing my YouTube video. Right, this car is by Welly FX, and the functions include opening doors there, and as a spoiler, it goes up. It's really difficult to open, so I'm not going to do it in this video. So next time I see you guys, I might do it in the next video, because I'm going to be doing a race between my McLaren and another car. But tell me what car you guys want me to do, either my Maserati Gran Turismo or either my Nissan Skyline, and make sure to comment what one you want. Okay, so yeah, let's start with the car. One of many of the functions, as I was saying, include opening doors, opening hoods at the front here, but it's like really difficult to open because you got to do like a clip there and everything. So yeah, so only thing I managed to open for the video is the doors. So as you can see, doors are open. So yeah, gonna start by showing you one feature, then I'm gonna show you driving. So yeah, one of the features it has is if I go in here and press this bit here. Hang on, go away Fluffy, hang on, go away. Okay, so one of the functions is if you press it here and press that here. Hang on. If I press this, it comes on, and if I press this button here, it revs. Look. So yeah, that's one of the many things it has. And I'm just gonna turn off. I'm gonna right. So yeah, that's one of the many things it has. And the spoiler's just here. It opens, and here's the back of the car, and it says McLaren here. So guys can see McLaren. So, and it says P1 in the engine area. Just where is it again? Here, see, it says P1 in the engine bit. So if we just turn to the bottom of the engine bit, you can see it says McLaren just here. And if you go to the front, you will see McLaren badge on the front. So, and it's actually got little vents there that provide, I think it provides, I'm not sure, you guys can correct me in the comments if you like. I don't know what it's for. Comment what you think it's for. And this is what I think it's for. I think it's for like to cool the brakes when it's driving, because the brakes get really hot. Stop, Fluffy, stop. Why are you going under the shed, Fluffy? Oh, it's okay. My cat's just looking around, that's all. There she is, just there. Anyways, for those of you who like cats, my cat might be having kittens soon, we're not too sure. But yeah, so make sure to like and subscribe for this video, and I will do a video on this. Okay, so you guys just make sure to subscribe and like for just now, and I won't be doing another video until July or something, because I'm gonna be away during July, so I might do it on July 18th or something, I don't know. But when I get a chance to do another video, I will, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.